morning all of you. Today we will do the revision. So first history and then we'll move on to civics. Okay. During which century England was undergoing the Industrial Revolution?
16th century.
The 16th century.
Okay, 16th century. Ordinary working people found increased opportunities for
Employment.
employment. The factory system was largely responsible for the rise of the modern
Cities.
Cities. History has been divided into how many parts?
3 parts.
Okay,
Three parts.
Name those 3 periods.
Ancient, medieval, and modern.
Okay, ancient, medieval and modern. The first socialist republic, it was set up in which country?
The USSR.
Okay, the USSR. The UN was set up after?
Second World War.
Okay, Second World War. French Revolution, it took place in which year?
1789.
Alright. Which century is regarded as the darkest period in the history of India? Darkest period.
18th century.
18th century.
Okay, 18th century. Which invention symbolizes the Industrial Revolution?
Steam engine.
Steam engine. Okay. Because of the invention of the dash, a lot of books began to be available.
Printing press.
Okay, printing press. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. Rousseau was a great philosopher of France.
True.
Okay. Lenin led the French Revolution.
False.
Okay, Lenin led which revolution?
Russian.
All right.
Russian.
Industrial Revolution started with the mechanization of the textile industries.
True.
Okay. Harsh working conditions were not common before the Industrial Revolution.
False.
Alright. For most of the 18th century, India continued to suffer and crumble again under the British rule.
True.
Alright. India in which century was in a chaotic political state? India in the dash century was in a chaotic political state. Which century? Yes? 18th century. Okay, right. Renaissance started in which country?
Europe.
I did not ask continent, country. Which country? It is mentioned in your books that it started in a particular country and then spread to the rest of Europe. Which country?
Italy.
Yes?
Italy.
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 Okay, right. Italy.
Italy.
In the medieval period, people adopted which system of production?
Domestic system.
Okay,
Domestic system.
Right, domestic system of production. Later on, a new method of production was adopted, which was known as dash system. Yes.
Factory system.
Right, factory system. Which movement made the people conscious of the rights of every individual? Yes, which movement? Which was the first movement, you could say, mentioned in your chapter, which made the people conscious of the rights of every individual? No one?
Ma'am, American Revolution.
Yes? What did you say, beta?
Ma'am, American Revolution.
No, Renaissance. Okay? And later on you can check from your book, page number 7, the first line. Not now, but later on. Who invented water frame?
Arkwright. Arkwright.
Arkwright. Mule. Who invented the mule?
Crompton. Crompton.
Crompton.
Ma'am, Crompton.
Okay. Flying shuttle.
Ma'am, K.
Alright.
Okay.
Spinning jenny.
Ma'am, Hargreaves.
Alright. Hargreaves. Then power loom.
Cartwright.
Cartwright. Who made the first locomotive rocket using steam engine?
George Stephenson.
Alright.
Ma'am,
Yes, George Stephenson. Which invention helped to separate seeds from cotton 300 times faster than by hand?
Cotton gin.
Okay, correct. That was good. One of the most important results of the Industrial Revolution was the rise of one of the most important results of the Industrial Revolution was the rise of dash. Industrial Revolution led to the rise of
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
One of the most important results of the Industrial Revolution was the rise of capitalism.
Economy.
Capitalism. One of the most important results of the Industrial Revolution was the rise of capitalism. You can check this under the rise of capitalism. Okay. Industrial Revolution came first in which part of Europe? Industrial Revolution came to which part of Europe first? No idea? Western Europe. Again, this you will find on page number 8, the last two lines. Western Europe. You need to know all this because questions like these, you know, they are important. So you need to know everything. What led to a race for colonies? Which development led to the race of colonies? AD, it shows you have still not prepared. Still unprepared for your test? Industrial revolution led to a race for colonies. Industrial revolution. Can you give me any one condition or any two conditions which favored imperialism in India and Africa? Some conditions which favored imperialism in India and Africa.
Lack of industrial revolution.
Okay, lack of industrial revolution.
Absence of
Military weak.
Absence of.
Middle class.
middle class.
Okay, absence of middle class. Then.
Absence of strong nation states.
Okay, absence of strong nation states. There was one more point. Anyone?
Military.
Military weak.
Okay, militarily weak. They were military wise, they were weak. Fine. The factory owners or the capitalists, they were also called by one more name. Factory owners, the capitalists, or the dash. What were they called?
Ma'am, haves.
Right, haves. And which group was called as the haves not? Have nots. Who were called as the have nots?
Ma'am, wage earners.
Wage earners, basically workers. Alright. So the other class was the class of the workers. The workers were called as the have nots. Alright. The British, they settled in which part of America? The British settled in which part of America?
Eastern part of America.
Eastern part of
Okay, eastern part. That was good. When did the 13 American colonies declare themselves independent?
4th July for 1776.
Good, 4 July 1776. Who framed the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Okay,
Thomas
right, Thomas Jefferson. Which incident is that in which the people threw the chest of tea into the sea?
Boston Tea Party.
Okay,
Boston Tea Party.
right, Boston Tea Party. Which estate had to pay taxes in France? There were three classes we have done. There were three classes or the three estates in France. Only one group of people had to pay the taxes. Others were exempted from paying the taxes. Which class of people paid the taxes?
Ma'am, commoners.
Right, the
Ma'am,
commoners.
commoners.
The first estate comprised of the first estate was yes, clergy,
Officials or clergy.
right, officials of the church. So first estate was clergy or the officials of the church. The second estate was
Nobility.
nobility, and the third were the commoners. Okay. The state prison of Bastille, it was broken on state prison of Bastille. It was broken on. It is said that the French Revolution started on this day. French Revolution.
14 July 1789.
Right, 14 July 1789. What does liberty means? The meaning of liberty. Yes, come on, class 8. Liberty.
Ma'am, liberty means freedom.
Right, liberty means freedom. What does fraternity means? Fraternity.
Brotherhood.
Brotherhood, correct. Industrial revolution led to the decline of dash. It led to a race for colonies, but it also led to a decline of something. Something declined because of, there was one particular institution which declined because of industrial revolution. So industrial revolution led to the decline of dash. What?
Ma'am, feudalism.
Feudalism. Yes, correct. Feudalism. Okay. The theories and ideas of Karl Marx and dash had tremendous impact on the people. There's one more person mentioned along with Karl Marx.
Frederick Engels.
Right, Frederick Engels. Okay, that was good. What was the supreme power or supreme power of Russia known as? What was the supreme power of Russia known as? Means the highest ruling power of Russia. They have a very different name. Yes, supreme power or the ruler of Russia, you can say. The ruler of Russia was known by that name. No one? Tsar. Haven't you heard that word? C-Z-A-R, Tsar. So the emperor of Russia, he was known as Tsar. Alright, let's move on to civics now. Constitution is a set of rules which helps the government of a country to run. True or false?
True.
True. True.
26th January is celebrated as which day?
Republic Day.
Republic Day.
Alright,
Ma'am, Republic Day.
right. Liberty means freedom of everything, good or bad?
False.
False.
Alright. On which day was our constitution adopted? Or on which day, you could say, or on which day the members of the Constituent Assembly signed the constitution? You can
Ma'am,
tell me the-
26.
Yes.
Ma'am, 26 November 1949.
Right, 26 November 1949. So, the members of the Constituent Assembly, they signed the constitution on this particular day. And then which day was chosen to enforce the constitution?
26 January
26
1950.
January 1950.
Alright, okay. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra.
Ma'am, Dr. Rajendra.
Okay, and who was the chairman of the drafting committee?
B.R.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Drafting committee comprised of how many members?
8 members.
Correct, 8 members. Who became the first president of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
First president.
Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra.
All right. And who became the first prime minister?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
And Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, right? The dash has great importance because it declares the form of the provisions along with the main objectives of the Indian Republic. The dash,
The preamble.
right?
Preamble.
Okay, right. The preamble.
Preamble.
How many articles are there in our constitution?
4. Ma'am, 4.
How many articles?
444.
Yes.
444.
Okay, 444 articles, in which 395 are the main articles and 49 are sub articles. How many schedules?
12 schedules.
Okay.
12.
Okay, right. 12 schedules. So, what I can make out is that only few of you have prepared, and but still, you know, you need to prepare it really well.